At the end of the session, you will be able to 1. Describe the distribution of active volcanoes, earthquake epicenters and major mountain belts and infer the relationship of tectonic plates, earthquake epicenters and active volcanoes. 2. Relate the distribution of active volcanoes, earthquake epicenters, and major mountain belts to plate tectonic theory. Pre-test. Directions. Read the questions carefully. Write the letter of the correct answer on your answer sheet. 1. Which is true about plate tectonics theory? A. Lithospheric plates move. B. Oceanic crust slides over continental crust. C. Continental crust plows through oceanic crust. D. Tectonic forces cause the most damage in the center of the plates. 2. In what place do tectonic plates interact? A. Centers. B. Regions. C. Reversals. D. Boundaries. 3. Which is not the main principle of plate tectonics? A. Plate movements cause continents to drift. B. Tectonic plates move relative to one another. C. Movement of tectonic plates can be prevented. D. Interactions of plate tectonics cause earthquake, volcanoes and mountain belts. Plate tectonic theory. The theory of plate tectonics states that the Earth's solid outer crust, the lithosphere, is separated into plates that move over the asthenosphere, the molten upper portion of the mantle. Basic plate tectonic concepts. Earth's crust and the uppermost layer of the mantle are composed of rigid units called plates. The movement of these plates is small, in the order of millimeters per year. Large-scale geological activities occur on or near plate boundaries. Areas farther from plate boundaries are less prone to earthquakes. The Philippine Sea Plate, which is oceanic, moves northwestward, ranging from as fast as 102 millimeters per year down around 54 millimeters per year. Most of the Philippine Islands don't lie on top of the Philippine Sea Plate but on the Sunda Plate. Major key concepts. The volcanoes, earthquakes epicenter, and major mountain belts are distributed in close proximity of the borders of the tectonic plates. Once tectonic plates moved in any possible motion, it could create changes leading to geologic features and events. Most of the active volcanoes nowadays are found in the so-called Pacific Ring of Fire, which is practically the border of the Pacific tectonic plate. Pacific Ring of Fire. The earthquake epicenters are not found only in a specific place, but they are found everywhere where there's a border between two or more tectonic plates. It doesn't matter if they collide, move away from each other, or subduct, the earthquakes will be there. The major mountain belts are found in places where tectonic plates of the same density collide, so instead some of them go and be subducted, they push against each other and lift the area up. Critical thinking questions. 1. How are earthquakes distributed as shown on the map? 2. Where are the earthquakes located on the map? 3. How are volcanoes distributed on the map? 4. Where are the volcanoes located on the map? 5. Describe how the active volcanoes, earthquake epicenters and mountain belts are being distributed in the Earth's lithosphere.
Let's wrap up with a quick post-test. Write true if the statement is correct and false if it's not. The distribution of volcanoes, earthquake epicenters, and major mountain belts is closely aligned along tectonic plate boundaries. The plate tectonic theory states that plates were separated, and they formed volcanoes and mountain ranges without any plate movement. Earthquake epicenters are found at the borders of two or more tectonic plates. Volcanoes and earthquake epicenters are located not far from plate boundaries. There are no geologic events, like earthquakes, and geologic features like volcanoes and mountain belts in the Pacific Ring of Fire.